Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. So, my dear student, in the last lecture, we studied oxidation state and the rules for assigning them. Today, we are going to study another very important topic of electrochemistry, which is oxidizing and reducing agents. So let's start step by step that what is oxidizing and reducing agent. So recall of oxidation and reduction. Before we move forward, let's quickly recall. Oxidation means loss of electrons or increase in oxidation state, and reduction is gain of electrons or decrease in oxidation state. Example: zinc plus copper ion dash zinc ion plus copper. Her zinc is oxidized, losses 2 electron, and copper ion is reduced, loss gain 2 electrons. Now, what is an oxidizing agent? My dear student, an oxidizing agent is a substance that causes oxidation of another substance. It does this by gaining electrons itself. In other words, oxidizing agent is always reduced in a reaction. Example: copper ion plus zinc, this copper plus zinc ion. Here, copper ion acts as the oxidizing agent because it oxidizes zinc and itself gets reduced to copper. Now, common oxidizing agents includes oxygen, halogen, mean chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine, and hydrogen peroxide H2O2, and potassium permanganate KMnO4, and potassium dichromate K2CO2 also. Now, what is a reducing agent? When a student, a reducing agent is a substance that causes reduction of another substance. It does this by losing electron itself. In other words, reducing agent is always oxidized in a reaction. Example: zinc plus copper ion. There is zinc ion plus copper. Here, zinc is the reducing agent because it reduces copper ions to copper and itself gets oxidized to zinc ion. Now, common reducing agent includes metal like zinc, iron, magnesium, sodium, aluminium, hydrogen gas H2, carbon, and lithium aluminum hydride, and sodium borohydride. Now, simple tag to remember: oil rake mean oxidation is loss of electron. Oil stands for oxidation and I stand for is, and L stand for loss, mean loss of electron. And reduction, R stand for reduction, I stand for is, and G stand for gain, mean reduction is gain of electron. Oil ray, oil oxidation is loss, mean of electron. Ray oxidation reduction is gain, mean of electrons. So oxidizing agent gain electrons as reduced, and reducing agent losses electrons as oxidized. Now, examples. Example 1, 2 Mg plus O2 dash 2 MgO. Magnesium is oxidized from 0 to plus 2. So, magnesium as a reducing agent, and O2 is reduced from 0 to minus 2. So, T is oxidizing agent. And example 2 as Fe2 plus Mn4 negative, gas Fe3 plus Mn2 positive. Now, Fe2 plus is oxidized, Fe2 plus as a reducing agent, and amino 4 negative is reduced, so amino 4 negative is Oxidizing agent. So, dear student, oxidizing agent causes oxidation but itself get reduced, while reducing agent causes reduction but itself get oxidized. So this is all about today's lecture on oxidizing and reducing agent. I hope you understand. So this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.